The working lifetime of a bread maker is normal with mean 10, variance 4. Find the 12th percentile. Now, 12th percentile is the cumulative, is the z-score. If you want the standard score of the 12th percentile, that's the z-score that corresponds to a cumulative probability of 0.12. Now, the table only gives us probabilities that are 0.5 or greater. Those are the ones that correspond to positive z-values. So the way we handle probabilities of less than 0.5 is by using the symmetry of the normal curve. So 12th percentile is symmetric to 100 minus 12 is equal to 88th percentile. So what that means is that the z-value that corresponds to a cumulative probability of 88 or 0.88 is the same in absolute value as the z-value that corresponds to a cumulative probability of 0.12. So let's see what's the z-value that corresponds to 0.88, the 88th percentile. So if we look at the table, we look for 0.88 in the probability area. So we don't quite find 0.88, but we find 0.8790 and 0.8810. And 0.88 is exactly midway between these two. And therefore the z-value will also be exactly midway between the z-values that correspond to these two probabilities. So for 0.8790, we have z equals 1.17. And for 0.8810, we have z equals 1.18. So it means for 0.88, we'll have 1.175. That's exactly midway between 1.17 and 1.18. 1.175. And so that was the 88th percentile. The 88th percentile in the terms of z will be 1.175. And therefore the 12th percentile by symmetry will be z equals negative 1.175. But we are to find the actual data value that corresponds to this z value. And we use our basic formula. Z is equal to x minus mean over standard deviation. Z is negative 1.175. Mean was given to be 10. And variance was given to be 4. So standard deviation will be the square root of 4. Square root of 4 is 2. So that gets multiplied here. And when you add the 10 to both sides, you get 7.65. That was choice B.